Good afternoon, class. My name is Brent Livingston. I'll be your instructor for the upcoming semester. Right off the bat, I wanted to just go ahead and tell you a little bit about myself and my background and my time here at Santa Ana College. So I've been teaching here at Santa Ana College. This will be my fourth semester. I started in February of 2022. I've taught several different levels, including intermediate low and intermediate high, as well as beginning low, as well as American pronunciation, which I'm currently teaching this semester. Just a little bit about my education background. I went to Cal State Fullerton for my BA, which was in linguistics. I later went to Cal State San Bernardino, for which I got my master's in TESOL. Which I feel has prepared me for the role as instructor at Santa Ana College. It's been very valuable getting to apply what I have learned in my my academic career to my professional career. So I'm looking forward to an exciting and stimulating and interesting semester with all of you. So thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to meeting all of you soon.